Ready to open the hood? Useful for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You can now access the cabin filter, which is located on the upper left of the engine compartment. Pull on the cover, which is on the left, on the windscreen frame. Open the fastening rack by pulling towards you and pull out the pollen filter, which is in two parts.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
There are three types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little more expensive, they're probably the best option. Reposition the two filters, paying close attention to how you hold them up. Look carefully at what is indicated on the filter, which should show the airflow direction. The arrows should point downwards. Close the rack. Replace the cover. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.